Here's our Chinese heater. First run. It's negative 5 degrees centigrade outside. It takes about, I'd say, 5 minutes for this thing to get going by itself. After you prime the pump, follow the instructions. They're pretty basic, pretty simple. Belt wired to a jumper pack. And this thing is actually cooking. I mean, it's really cooking. It's on 3. So let's see how hot. Darn light. Let me see if I turn that off. There we go. Turn that off. Put my own influence right here. Output temperature is 155 degrees, going up, 160 degrees, 162. Now this is an ambient temperature of, we're on a Fahrenheit scale here. Forgot to take temperature prior. Negative 3 degrees Celsius, so we're looking at about 29 degrees out here. So we're looking at 165 degrees. So this is bumping it up at least, you figure it out, 29 degrees to, and now we're at now at 168. So 30 to 168, plus 1, so that's a whole lot. You do the math. That is really warm. Wow. So that's just a demonstration. It's just powered by a 12-volt jumper pack. I made my own little wire and pigtail there. Make sure you get the polarity right. This exhaust is very hot. You know, I imagine an emergency situation. You could run this through a larger pipe and then run a fan and capture the heat off of this pipe here. I wouldn't touch it though. That thing is very hot. This whole thing smokes when you first start it up because it's covered in a little bit of oil, and the air coming out here smells perfectly fine. We're at 173 degrees output temperature, 173 up from 29 Fahrenheit, of course, and seems like a nice little unit. Hope I never have to use it in emergency. It'll certainly go nice in a camper. It is odd that the input and output is at the bottom. I mounted it just to a couple pieces of wood, a piece of 2x4 and a piece of 4x4. It's good and stable. And it's kind of wary, so there's nothing flammable around it really except the battery pack. But I got a fire extinguisher. And there it is.